forward in your shoulders. Stay way back. So you keep the forward motion coming. Yep. Outside rein. Soften on the inside. Quick left leg. Stay back, way back, right leg way back. Better. Yep, and then rounder in the right. Quick left leg, and then quiet. Think leg yield into the TROT. Bend them in and massage rounder in the right rein when you do so. Bend them in. Did you ask for that?
Yes.
It was very good. Good girl. Good girl. Rounder in the right. Don't let them pull the right rein away from you. Keep it low. Yep. Rounder in the right rein. Quick left leg. Both reins. Stay firm in your lower back. Soften on the inside. Yeah, that a girl. Super job. Keep your lower back. Keep your lower back. Shoulders back and down. Lower back firm. How about that? Did you like that better? I liked it too. Now go forward here. More. Lift him. Look where you want to go. That a girl. And then change direction. Cross the diagonal, lift, and ask for a little bit extra.